Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Oh boy! I forgot my wrench.
Oh my god. Oh my god. These nuts on. Got him. Oh yeah. Look at do it again. Yeah, fuck you. God, that's a big fly.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Alright. The hot side intercooler pipe is almost done. I've got it pretty much welded all the way around on this end. And I ran out of welding wire. I think you guys saw in the last clip. This side's tacked. Gotta get that completed, and then that should be good to go. About to drain the oil out so I can do the oil lines. This pipe is good, but I really do not like it. It's a really shittily done pipe. I could probably add like a coupling here or something to give it some movement, some play. Or maybe I can do it here. I'll probably do it up here. There's a little nipple there. Cut that one off. Get rid of those. Secure all that stuff. That's pretty good. It's just this one right here. All this is just terrible. What I probably end up going to do is get a 45-degree coupler, and then it'll go out and up towards here, and then it'll go straight to this and get rid of all this straight bend, just to make it a little bit more fluid. But the intercoolers can technically be connected now. This is an 1/8 inch NPT. This is going to go down here. I got to take out this reservoir. So I'm going to drain the oil, drain the coolant, take out the reservoir, and then put in this fitting. And then the line here will go from this, like that. Always test out your stuff. Thread's pretty good. Now I have to drain all my oil, because I have 2 jugs that are full. So I'm gonna put them in this 5-gallon bucket. So I got red for oil and white for any coolant that I get out. So just kind of make it easy to determine what's what. Ah, shit. right in the oil. Freaking idiot, man. Try to have it right up. Why is there a drop on here? And then more. Ah, much better.
Who are you talking to down there?
Myself and the camera. Who are you talking to?
Hello?
That hurt just a little. Good God. Oh, shit. Why is this so tight? Oh. Oh, yeah. Damn, I'm good. What's good? Ugh. Eh. Dude, I just, oh. That was almost bad. All right, you can see the little screw bolt thing right there. So if you look at the valve cover, right. So you take off your coolant reservoir, or not coolant, yeah, coolant reservoir. It's right down there. Pretty easy. And I'm about to say it's a 5 or 6 millimeter hex. Here's proof that it's a good oil inlet port. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean that up, let it drain, clean it up, and then I use some Teflon tape and put that fitting in. Alright, so now if I wanted to take this oil line right here, I can plug it in right there to the back of the turbo, right over there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's a little bit more gooder. This is when you don't have your settings right. Looks like shit. Horrible, horrible, horrible. This is when you have them pretty good. It's pretty uniform. A lot less blotchy. Now I'm gonna go around and make a bead so the coupling band can grab it. So I'll probably put it right here. Basically all I did was weld a round bead all around the pipe so that it won't slip out of the couplings when it's tightened down. Ready.com. Screwdriver. There's a screwdriver.